If you've been debating if you should get on LinkedIn, the answer is yes, and the time to do it is now. Let's get started. Right now, there are more eyes on the internet than ever before, and if you want to get found, whether for your business or your next career move, you have to be on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is the only social platform that's literally designed for professionalism, right? For the professional side of life. So whether you are talking about your business or what you want to do next in your career, it's what it was designed for. No one's annoyed by you because that's what you're supposed to be talking about on LinkedIn. Plus, LinkedIn is all about connections. So the more people you know, the more your message gets seen to everybody they know, and you can be found for a great opportunity that much quicker. So with that in mind, I want to give you 5 tips on how to get started on LinkedIn today. Number 1, focus on your headline, your photo, your experience section, and your skills section. Now, that might sound like a lot, but you can actually probably fix all of those things in less than 30 minutes. The reason why I'm saying focus on these is because when you first go through the process of getting started on LinkedIn, it's going to give you all these sections that you can add. You can add projects and certifications and your about section that holds everybody up. I want you to ignore everything but those 4. Your headline, your photo, your experience, and your skills. Tip 2, your photo should be a headshot of just you looking or representing your industry. Now, that's not like some made up photo like I want to be a doctor, so I'm going to put on a doctor's coat. No. What I mean is don't cut anybody out of your photo. Don't have a photo of you in your grad cap and gown or at a formal of some sort or a wedding. Those photos are for Facebook. This is professional, so dress professionally. But when I say representing your industry, that's important because if you're in finance, you probably are wearing like a button-down shirt and a tie or a button-down shirt and a blazer. But if you're in gaming, you should have on your sweatshirt and your t-shirt that represents the game, right? Like that's totally fine. So wear whatever you would kind of wear to work on a great day and put that on for your photo. And then a couple of other small tips. You need to be smiling. Smiles represent warmth. They're a signal to people that you are friendly. You're not a foe. You're not an enemy. You're a friend. So you need to be smiling and you need to be looking dead at the camera. Don't do a side picture, a profile picture, like a real profile picture. Be straight on. And it needs to be a headshot. So from about here up is good. It doesn't have to be done by a professional. We all have portrait mode on our phones now. Even if you are stuck at home, go outside, stand by a tree, and ask somebody in your family to take a picture of you. Okay, so tip 3. Your headline needs to be SEO friendly. Your headline is a massive part of how you get found in search. So when you first jump on LinkedIn, it's going to prompt your headline to simply be your current title at your current company. But I want you to change that. You want to use all 120 characters to put in some real strong keywords so that you get found in search. So if you own your own business, please do not say in this section, owner, because nobody is searching for an owner. Tell me what you do and who you serve. So are you a photographer? Great. Who are you a photographer for? Photographer for small businesses in the Kansas City area. Look, you're not going to get found in every search, but you don't need to because you will be top ranking for the searches for photographers in Kansas City. So always remember who you serve and what you do for them. Well, let's put it backwards. What you do and who you serve. That's the correct way. Your photo and headline combined is what's going to make somebody decide whether to click and look at your full profile or not. So that's why I'm really emphasizing those two to get started. Tip 4, once you have those first 4 things set up in your profile, you can start connecting. We can come back to do the about. We can come back to add projects and certifications. You need to start building your base. So connect with everyone you've ever met. I do recommend the first time importing an email address like contact list. Just click off the people that are kind of randoms that shouldn't be there, but it's just a really easy way for the system to start seeing who you know. And then once you've done that, that people you may know section under your connections, that algorithm is strong. So if you can go through there and you recognize those people and you know they would know you off face and name, just hit connect. Go and connect with any friends, any family friends. I always love to give the example that I would not be friends with my best friend's dad on Facebook. That'd be super weird. But it makes total sense to be friends with him on LinkedIn because this is professional. So it's totally fine for him to know what's going on in my professional life, and having him as a connection opens me up to a whole other set of people that wouldn't have been in my personal circles. So you want to connect with as many people as you know to build that base. And then 5, once you've done those things, you need to become a part of the conversation. So just like you scroll Instagram and Facebook every day, start making LinkedIn part of your rotation. Get on there and like people's comments. Or like people's posts, share their post, comment on their post. You know, it will tell you whose birthday it is. Go in and say happy birthday. It's not that hard. If you read an article that you think is really interesting, share it on LinkedIn and just put a couple of things about why you think it's something other people should read as well. You want to start becoming part of the conversation on LinkedIn so that more people will get to your own profile, because they will see you in the comments with people and go, oh, who's this? They have really good points, and click on you. I've also heard the fact that you're more engaged also puts you higher in search. So do not do a set it and forget it profile. You need to be part of the conversation as well. So I hope these things help you get started on LinkedIn. If you want more help, I have a full LinkedIn All-Star Profile checklist that you can get at LinkedInallstarprofile.com. So the link for it will be in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.